We're going to review order of operations. So one of the things with order of operations is we have a nice acronym for that. PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. P tells us that the first thing we do is parentheses if they're in the problem. E stands for exponents. MD is multiplication or division, whichever we see first, left to right. And AS, the same thing with addition and subtraction, whatever we see coming first, left to right. First example I'd like to do is let's look at the problem 10 plus 12 divided by 6 times 3. So in this problem, we see division comes before multiplication. They're equal in terms of priority, so we have to do the division first. So this becomes 10 plus 12 divided by 6 is 2 times 3. Now we see that we have multiplication, so I'm putting an M here for multiplication, and we're doing 10 plus 2 times 3 is 6, and finally our answer, adding everything, is 16. Now a variation, suppose I had the problem 10 divided by 6 times 3, only now I put parentheses around the 6 times 3. So my first step here is by parentheses. This is 10 plus 12 divided by 18. But we can write this as 10 plus 12 divided by 18. And now I need to just add these, but I can reduce the 12 over 18. Reducing the 12 over 18, dividing by 6, this becomes the fraction 2/3. So we are doing 10 plus 2/3. And now we're ready to actually add those. As an aside, I have a very nice shortcut for adding fractions. I call it the rocking chair. And the way the rocking chair goes, it's like this. I have 10 over 1 plus 2 over 3. I cross multiply 10 times 3 divided by, this becomes 30 plus 2 divided by 3. So this is 32/3. And that would be our answer. This I call the rocking chair because this arrow here makes it look like a rocking chair. It's a very nice way to remember how to add fractions. Now going to do one more problem. I have the 10 plus 12 divided by 6 times 3, only this time I'm going to put the parentheses around the 10 and the 12. Right? So our first step is doing the parentheses. The 10 and the 12 is 22 divided by 6 times 3. Our next step is we have division first, so we're going to divide 22 divided by 6, which when we can't get an integer, we write it as fraction, 22 over 6 times 3. I could do this several ways. One way is I could make this a fraction, and then I know my multiplication. You multiply the numerator, you multiply the denominators, and my final answer is 11.